Hello everyone, my name is Fuyang. My article's name is Enterprise Cluster Intelligent Manufacturing Information Management System based on wireless communication technology. I come from School of Technology, Economics and Management Yantai Institute of Technology, Yantai, China. My abstract. The existing intelligent manufacturing information management system of enterprise culture has not reached on the optimal path when designing system security. In order to improve the security of system, the intelligent manufacturing information management system of enterprise culture is designed based on wireless communication technology. In the design of a hardwired system, the information processing module is designed to reduce the time used for data reading and writing, and security system of wireless communication technology is designed to enhance the security of data transmission. So, the security of system is tested, and it is found that the system has enough security when the data transmission is below 25 bits. My keywords is wireless communication, technology, enterprise cluster, intelligent manufacturing, information management system. 1. Introduction. Enterprise cluster usually refers to a large enterprise with many related interactors or many content-related industries are associated with each other in the form of a collection. The combined operation model can make the enterprise have better work effect. Due to the increase of production scale, in order to have enough work efficiency, enterprise usually use intelligent technology to optimize the manufacturing process. Technology can use network technology and automation technology to complete the management of intelligent manufacturing-related information and use the efficient collection of production information to improve the quality of management work. So, therefore, this paper designed the enterprise cluster intelligent manufacturing information management system based on wireless communication technology and make a new design for its security. 2. Design of enterprise cluster intelligent manufacturing information management system hard based on wireless communication technology. 2.1. Design information processing module. In the hardware design of enterprise cluster intelligent manufacturing information system, the response merchants of information fast processing module is the most core perceived module, and its communication structure is shown in Figure 1. 2.2. Circuit design of wireless communication technology. In the design of wireless module, the most important things is to collect information based on wireless communication technology. The main control center of the system is a kind of control chip which can realize information collection and also have certain operation transplant function. So, the overall framework in the information system is shown in Figure 2. 3. Design enterprise cluster intelligent manufacturing information management system software. 2.1. overall function design of the system. First, the development of the design of manufacturing data system technically should first complete the perfect data-based design to meet the needs of subsequent production management. Second, the design of data reading model. Third, data acquisition models. 3.2 Security design of information management algorithm. In the printing search, when analyzing and introducing the system search should be introduced first, and so the research A is main found statement pays in the models. The model is like this, and in figure 3. As shown in figure 3, the principle of the algorithm is that when selecting subsequently transformed models, it is usually completed by each node and has not been transferred. But the node is the least V value is selected to replace the node with the smallest value among the direct nodes. For example, find the short to V0 to V5. In the process of V0 to V5, you can reach the final node V5 through V1, V2, V3, and V4. When soluting the best pace in a strict network, the algorithm is selected results. So, the smaller that the evolution function, the higher the security of the algorithm. 4. Experiment study. 4.1 Experimental preparation. We preparation a lot for this paper. And 4.2 System function test. Functional testing is the most basic test in the system testing. It does not matter how the software is intelligent, but only verified whether the product's function meet the requirements especially based on the requirements. So the interaction is good. 4.3 System security test like this and like this. As shown in figure 4, with the increase of the number of data operations, the network security of the enterprise cluster, intelligent manufacturing information management system fluctuates to a certain intersection. Compare with the data as the wireless transformed. So, group. Otherwise, it is easy to cause net security accident. 5. Conclusion. In the above, an enterprise cluster intelligent manufacturing information management system based on wireless communication technology is designed, and the function test of the system in the experimental link prove that in the software design has complete functional, friendly enterprise and simple use. The operation process is safe and reliable, and the use effect is good, and it has good cross-platform security and basically achieved the expected goal. However, due to the limited time and energy, some of the design function of this system has not to be perfected. This will continue to be improved in the later stage. In addition, the interface needs to be further beautiful to meet the needs of employees in different departments. 6. Function processing. This article is raised based on special production of Shandong Province social science planning, interface manufacturer. Number 20CSTJ24. This is my reference. And thank you very much for listening.